Welcome back to Reviewz Heaven, the place where clutter goes to die. Today, we're diving under the sink to bring you the top 5 best under-sink organizers that will turn your messy cabinets into tidy, functional spaces. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, or even laundry room, these organizers are game changers for storage and sanity. We've picked the sturdiest, smartest, and most stylish ones that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Oh, and no worries. You'll find all the buying links right down in the description box, so you can check them out easily. Let's slide into the world of space-saving genius. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Kitstorack 2-packs 2-tier under-sink organizers. Tired of diving headfirst into your cabinet just to find the dish soap? Meet the Kitstorack Under-Sink Organizer, the superhero your cluttered cabinet never knew it needed. With plenty of space and adjustable height from 13.8 to 16.9 inches, it's ready to handle everything from tall bottles to mystery cleaning sprays you forgot you owned. This thing is rock solid. Thanks to 4 suction cups and 2 sticky nano pads, it holds up to 50 pounds. That's like lifting a small dog, but make it cleaning supplies. And the smooth slide-out drawers? No more tug-of-war under the sink. Made from heavy-duty steel and a beefy 1-inch frame, it's sturdier than your grandma's lasagna pan. No wobbles, no drama. The 2-tier sliding design means no more crawling into your cabinet like a secret agent. Everything is right there, easy to grab. And with 5 height options, it adapts like a storage ninja. Kitchen, bathroom, closet, it fits anywhere you want to declutter and reclaim your sanity. Number 2. Sevenblue Store 3-pack 2-tier under-sink organizers. If your cabinets look like a junk drawer exploded, the Sevenblue 3-pack under-sink organizer might just be your new best friend. These organizers come with fun extras like hanging cups, C-hooks, and non-slip feet, because your cleaning supplies deserve a little luxury too. The best part? The bottom shelf slides out like it's saying, "Here you go, buddy." No more elbow-deep cabinet dives just to grab one sponge. And you can adjust how far it pulls. Finally, something in life that adapts to you. Worried about complicated assembly? Don't be. No tools, no tantrums. Just follow the simple guide or watch the quick video. You'll be organizing like a pro in under 3 minutes, probably faster than boiling an egg. With metal support rods, this thing is tough. It holds up to 40 pounds without flinching, unlike you when you step on a Lego. Just check the size before buying, and you're golden. And if anything goes sideways, their support team is faster than your morning coffee kick. Number 3. PXRACK 2-pack 2-tier under-sink organizers. Say goodbye to cabinet chaos. The PXRACK under-sink organizer comes in hot with a genius C-shaped design that dodges plumbing like a pro. And yes, it leaves room for those awkward tall bottles that usually end up banished to the corner. This 2-tier wonder slides in and out smoothly, so no more playing hide-and-seek with your cleaning supplies. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room, this thing fits in like it's been there all along. Kind of like your favorite socks that never match but always work. Need some height? No problem. With 5 adjustable levels, 13.6 inch to 16.9, it's like yoga for your storage. Flexible, balanced, and good for your sanity. Plus, the bigger baskets mean more space for all your, "I swear I'll use this" stuff. And with thickened steel and a solid bracket, this thing is sturdier than your Wi-Fi on a good day. Stick it in place with the suction cups and nano tape. Once it's in, it's staying put. No slipping, no tipping, just pure organized bliss. Number 4. Cicilyna 2-packs 2-tier under-sink organizers. Tired of your bathroom looking like a shampoo crime scene? The Cicilyna under-sink organizer is here to rescue your chaos with sleek Nordic vibes and 2 levels of pure organizing magic. Made with tough ABS plastic and thick metal tubes that laugh in the face of rust, this baby's built like a tank, just a very stylish one. It holds your stuff without wobbling like your Wi-Fi on a rainy day. The best part? Cleaning it is easier than dodging your group chat. A quick wipe, and it's looking fresh again. And that wind leaf pattern? So pretty, it practically organizes with style. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't just for under sinks. It moonlights as a kitchen spice rack, a beauty product throne, or even a fancy tray for your coffee mugs. Multi-talented much? If anything goes wonky, Cicilyna's support squad is on standby. So go ahead, declutter your life, one tier at a time, and feel like the organizational genius you were born to be. Number 5. Mixeshop 1-Pack 2-Tier Under Sink Organizer. If your cabinet looks like a mini tornado hit it, the Mixeshop Under Sink Organizer is here to restore peace, and maybe even your sanity. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or that one shelf where things just mysteriously disappear. Built from tough carbon steel, it's like the superhero of shelves, rust-resistant, water-repelling, and ready to carry your clutter like a champ. The grid design underneath? No puddles, no mess. It's like your soap bottles are living their best spa life. The double sliding drawer glides out so smoothly, you'll want to do it just for fun. And those hard-to-reach items hiding in the back? Not anymore. With 5 adjustable height levels and a size that fits snugly under most sinks, it's flexible enough to store everything from sponges to shampoo bottles with attitude. And guess what? You won't need a toolbox. Just a couple screws, a little twist, and boom, you're an organizing legend in under a minute. Marie Kondo would be proud. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best under-sink organizers. Hope you found the perfect fit for your space. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching Reviewz Heaven. Stay organized, and see you next time.